Now children, today we are going to start with chapter number 13, that is some Indian states. So in this chapter we will study about some Indian states like Haryana, Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Odisha and Kerala, and lastly the seventh sister state which lies in the northeast. First is Haryana and Punjab. Their capital is Chandigarh. If we talk about river, we have Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, Beas. These are the main river. If we talk about beautiful lake, that is Sukhana Lake. Sukhna Lake, that is situated in Chandigarh. In Haryana, river Ghaggar. What it is? It is the seasonal river. So next is language. Spoken is Punjabi, Hindi, Haryani and English. Industries both primary, agrarian, wooden textile, machine industry, dairy, they all are flourishing. Places of tourist interest are Rose Garden, Sukhna Wildlife Sanctuary are the important tourist spot. Chandigarh, यहाँ पे आपको sculpture garden देखने को मिलेगा and art objects are also seen. If we talk about festivals like Gurupar, Baisakhi, Lohri, Diwali, all are celebrated. Now dance, Gidha is the popular dance of the Punjab performed by women. It is derived from an ancient ring dance performance by Punjabi women. यहाँ पे एक social gathering होती है. It is usually performed for rhythmic clapping and boliyan, and Bhangra is the male counterpart of this Gidha. Famous folk dance of Haryana is what? Ghumar. Now next is Gujarat. Its capital is Gandhinagar and river is Sabarmati. Language Gujarati, Hindi, English. Dance that is Garba, which is performed on a circular form. And who performs? Ladies, different ladies. It is basically celebrated on Navratri festival, जिसको हम गरबा कहते हैं. If we talk about industry, here you will see the textile industry, one of the main industry of Gujarat. And it is also known as, Ahmedabad is also known as Manchester of East. Why? Because यहाँ पे बहुत सारी क्या है textile mills है. Today Gujarat is one of the largest producer of cotton bales in India. Now places of tourist interest like Valid City, Sabarmati Ashram, Siddhi Basir Mosque, Akshardham Temple, Kankaria Lake and Kite Museum. These are well-known tourist spots over here. Or the city of Ahmedabad, who founded him? Sultan Ahmad Shah, and when in 1411. Right? Kite Museum was established. When was Kite Museum established? In 1918, find it contains various types of kites and photographs from all over the world. Now if we talk about festival, Navratri, Diwali, Holi and Uttaranarayan, मतलब annual kite festival, they are celebrated over here. Here, Gujarat is known for trade. If we talk about in ancient time, it is known. Now Rajasthan, capital Jaipur, Pink City, lakes Pinchola Lake और पुष्कर Lake. Language यहाँ पे लोग राजस्थानी बोलते हैं, हिंदी बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, पंजाबी, सिंधी, all are spoken. Here, Ghumar dance is famous, right? With the long skirt worn by Rajasthani women. Ghair is a dance which is performed by both men and women. And when on Holi or on Janmashtami. Industry यहाँ पे handicraft जैसे आपको marble, ivory, metal, stone, tie and dye ये सब देखने को मिलेंगे. And if we talk about places of tourist interest, you will have City Palace, Hawa Mahal, Rambagh Palace and Jantar Mantar. Hawa Mahal or Palace of the Wind is one of the prominent tourist attraction in Jaipur. It is the attraction of Hawa Mahal in its pyramid shape and 953 windows of Jharokas which is decorated with intricate design. Beach Festival, Gangor, Kite Festival, Elephant Festival and Jaipur. Then we have Odisha. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. It is situated on the coast along the Bay of Bengal, largest saltwater lake in India, and it is found in this state also. Now climate, it is hot and humid climate. River Mahanadi drains in this region. And if we talk about other main river that flows from here is Baitarani and Brahmani. The deltas are performed by the rivers that are very fertile over here. Next is festival. Here you will see that all major religious and national festivals are celebrated. Cornal Dance Festival, it is held from 1 to 5 December every year. Right? It is a tribute to Sun Temple at Karnak. Eminent dancers, performers performs over here. Puri Beach Festival and your Tarakarini Mela. These all are also the important festival. If we talk about their arts and handicrafts, you will see that they have Fatta Chitra, sand art, palm leaf painting, stone carving, golden grass, cane work and puppet and mask making. If we talk about language, Odia is a principal and official language. And the people who live in Odisha are mostly tribal and they're original inhabitants of the Eastern Ghats, right? Now, music and dance. Unique dance forms which have acquired international fame in Odissi and Chau. Odisha is also rich in folk plays called Jatra, Leela, Nat, Nach, Tamasha, and Swan, and Samaj. Now, places of tourist interest. The architecture of the temples, caves, and forests is marvelous. The Konark Temple, Mukteshwar Temple, Jagannath Temple, Barbati Palace, Khandagiri Caves, और आपका ललितगिरी caves, Udayagiri caves, these all are famous over here. If we talk about Kerala over here, Thiruvananthapuram, river, Karamana, Periyar, Neyarkili, backward of Veliani. Language, Malayalam and English, spices, sandalwood and ivory are the important industries of the state. Next is places of tourist interest over here. यहाँ पे आपको पोवलम बीच देखने को मिलेगा, पोनामुडी हिल्स, मुकमिना हिल्स, रिसोर्ट रेप्टाइल हाउस, श्री चित्र आर्ट गैलरी, विक्रम साराभाई स्पेस सेंटर, नियर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, कुछ मेजर टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन है. Right now, if we talk about the different animals that are found are tiger, leopard, sloth bear, elephant, barking bear, bonnet, mac, nilgiri, and your Nilgiri Thara. Festival, Onam, Bishu, Christmas, and if we talk about dance, that is Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Kaliyattam, or Thyam. ये major dance form है. Right? Thyam is also known as Thyattam also. Right? यहाँ पे क्या होता है? The waist dress is made of bamboo slice and it is covered with red cloth. किससे covered होती है? Red cloth से. Now, seven sister. If we talk about the state of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, they are called seven sisters and this region is guarded by mountains. The only passage is a narrow stretch of land over here which is about 30 km wide called Siliguri Corridor. And beyond this corridor lies seven sisters of India. The trim seven sister states have coined by Jyoti Prasad Saikia, a jurist from Tripura. And people from various tribes live in these states over here. The subtropical and heavy monsoon climate have been found here, and there are wild horned rhinoceros, elephant, tiger, leopard, and your exotic flower, and countless wildlife sanctuary and nature. Next is Arunachal Pradesh. Here they have what? Dense forest, and but sparsely populated. It lies to the foothills of Himalayas. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे tourist attraction भी है. इसको land of dawn बोला जाता है. Capital क्या है अरुणाचल प्रदेश की? That is Itanagar. Assam occupies what? Lush green lowlands of Brahmaputra Valley. ये densely populated है. असम की capital क्या है? Dispur. Nagaland's colorful life and culture. Integral part of 16 recognized Naga tribe. 16 यहाँ पे और अब capital क्या है आपकी नागालैंड के? कोहिमा. मेघालय, a pine-clad hills and beautiful lakes. What is the capital of Meghalaya? That is Shillong. Now, other three states are Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. यहाँ पे green valleys देखने को मिलेगी आपको, lush hills और variety of plants and animals. And what is the capital of Manipur? Imphal, Mizoram as well, or Tripura, that is Agartala. Now, seven sister forms a part of Eastern Himalayan region, and their location is extremely important as they share border with Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, and Nepal. Right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.